Today I wanted to showcase a plant that we're adding into our sun perennial garden. And you can see that it's quite a large, wide bed. And so we're using this Ilex crenata or Japanese holly, which this cultivar is called Sky Pencil. And we're using this sort of as a divider between this both sides of the bed here. Now, this Sky Pencil holly, unlike a lot of hollies, you won't really need to trim this. It has a very columnar shape. It will get anywhere from 4 to 10 feet tall and only 2 to 3 feet wide. So you can see these branches are coming up very vertical. It's going to give you that vertical element and form in your landscape when you're using it for a design feature. And it's nice in urban environments because a lot of times you want that vertical height, but you maybe don't have that bed space to give it the width that you need. So this one works really well in tight spaces. Now, Sky Pencil holly is pretty adaptable to a lot of different soil conditions, anywhere from sandy to clay. It does like moist soil conditions. And the other exception that you might be aware of is the fact that it doesn't really do well in alkaline soil. So you might be cautious about planting it in western Oklahoma. The other thing is it doesn't do the best in hot, dry conditions. And as we know in Oklahoma, we can have that temperature and that environment sometimes. So you might give it a little extra water, but it does need full sun. So you can see we've got it implanted here in our sun perennial garden. You can push that a little bit into some shade, but it's quite an adaptable plant for those urban environments. And you might even think about using it in containers to give you that columnar vertical feature as well. So this is Sky Pencil holly, a Japanese holly, and it really doesn't need much maintenance and especially no trimming once it's planted.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.